How to add or remove the calendar widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go back to the main settings page, and then we scroll down. In here, tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize button on the left-hand side panel. The left panel is for the lock screen. Next, at the top here, tap on Widget, and then in the Add Widgets pop-up, you want to scroll down and tap on Calendar. Now in here, there are two different widget size. We got a small size and a large size. So select a widget, so you can tap on it or you can drag on it. And then after that, tap on the Close button. Then tap on the Close Add Widgets pop-up. Now in here, you can see I have three different widgets: the large size, a small size, and a small calendar widget size. So to delete a widget, you can always go back into this panel. First, let's tap on the Done button first to save the changes. And then if you press on the Lock button, you can see on your lock screen, we have now added the calendar widget to the lock screen. And to remove it, we go back into the same settings. So go to your settings page, then scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Then tap on the Customize button on the left-hand side panel. Next, tap on the widget panel. Once you are in edit mode, tap on the delete button to delete or remove the widget. In here, I will remove all the widgets, and then tap on the close button. Then tap on done to save the changes. And that is how you can add or remove the calendar widget to the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.